Good morning, students. Welcome to Jafri and Fatima English Medium School, Mahua. Subject Mathematics, Chapter number 1, Knowing our Numbers, Standard 6. Warm up exercise. Dear students, always you have to do regular physical exercise. Okay, let's we begin and revise the chapter. Here we will start our first letter ones. You all are knowing what is 1. Here is the 1 cube. Here is 1 cylinder. Now, afterwards there is a 10. We can find the 10 cubes bunch together shows 1 10. 10 stars group shows 1 10. 10 circles shows 1 10. All the above objects are a group of 10. So, ones and tens. After ones and tens, there is a hundreds. Here, the picture of 100 cubes is shown. Same way, 100 stars, group of 100 stars, it's a 100. The above objects are a group of 100. So, now you clarify the 3 words ones, tens and 100. So, we can say 10 ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It gives a 110, group of 110. So, we can say it's a 10 ones is equal to 110. Did you get the idea, student? We can say 10 ones is equal to 110. Good. Let's we check for different color and you can find clearly. So, 10 ones is equal to 110. Is it? Good. Let's see. Or here one small picture is showing us 10 ones on one side and 110 on the second side. So, here the balance, a girl is balancing both the sides. So, you can say girls have both the sides 10 kg weight. Okay. Same way we can take 10 times, which makes you a 100. Or you can say if you have a 10 rupees 10 notes, which makes you a 100, or you have a 100 note on right side and left side 10 rupees 10 notes. So, this fellow is showing us a weightlifting with 10 kgs we can put on left side and 100 kg one weight on the right side. So, both are equal. Is it beta? So, you get little more idea regarding this one. So, both weight are balanced. Good. So, we can say 10 tens is equal to 100. Let's move. Similarly, we can say 10 hundreds, which makes you a 1000. Okay, the place value chart. If you have the idea regarding ones, tens, hundred and thousand, which you already studied in standard 5th. Okay, let's clarify the place value. Here I am using a small chart for revision. The chart is showing us ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, let's start. Here a picture of one group of cubes. On the second picture there are some groups of tens, and third one cube of 1 only. Let's do for other example. See, there are 2 cubes of bunch of hundreds. Same way, you can find on the 10 place 1 cube of tens are shown. On the ones place you can find the some cubes. So there are 5 cubes. So in the 100 place we can write 200 group of cubes, and in the 10 place, yes, only one group of 10 is there, that's why we can write 1. In the place of ones there are 5 cubes, so we can write only 5. So it is shown us, say there are 5 ones, 1 tens and 2 hundreds. Good. Let's move for the further. If the numeral 215, there are 2 groups of hundreds, 1 group of 10 and 5 groups of 1. Okay beta? Okay, let's we move for the further. Here I am showing a one instrument of mathematics. Did you hear the word abacus? Any students is knowing about abacus? You already used this thing in your KG section or somewhere else, but that time you were not knowing about this instrument. This is very helpful to learn numbers. See, there are some number 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. This is the abacus. Actually, you have a slate. You had a slate in your KG sections or first standard. On the slate, half slate having the beads, colorful beads were there, and you were playing with the beads, but you are not knowing how to use it. Same way, here a wooden strip are there, it is having the colorful beads. In the ones place there are 6 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the tens bead, tens strip there are 4 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4 beads are there. In the 100 place there are 3 beads, 1, 2, 3 beads, or you can use it a diamond or a square or whatever things you want to use. Clear? So from the picture you can get clear idea of 346. Okay, let's move. This is shown as 100 place. So there are 3 group of hundreds are shown. Same way, for tens, there are 4 tens groups are shown with green color, and there are orange color beads are there of 6 numbers. Very nice. Look at here, this 346 are shown by expanded method. Expanded means 3 is equal to not 3, but it is a 300, fourth place, that is a 40 because it is a group of tens, and 6 is alone, that is why we can write is 300 plus 40 and plus 6, which makes a 346. The value of any digit depends on its place in that number. See, here is a 2 only is written, so its value is ones because there are no tens, no 100. Number 24 having 4 in one place and 2 is in 10 place. Number 3, it is a 258. So, 2 is written here in 100 place, 5 is written under the 10 place and 8 is written in under the ones place. Did you observe the things? Here 2 numbers is there, but everywhere the value of 2 is different. See, in this case it is a 200, in this case is a 20, in this case is only 2. So, 220 and 2, the value is different, number remain the same, 2. It is called the place value. That means 2 into 1, that is 2 ones are 2. Now place in the tens, so 2 into 10, that gives you a 20. Same way 2 into 100 because 2 is lying under the 100 place. So, 2 into 100 will make you a 200. Good. Place and place value of the colored digit. Here a table is given for further clarification. A number is written 4350. We should have to show a colored digit, yellow colored digit, place and place value. We are knowing we can start from the right side, ones, tens, 100 and 1000, isn't it? Okay. So, colored digit is in the place of 10. So, here written tens. What is the number there? 5. So, 5 tens are 50. Good. Second example, the colored digit is 9. Where is the place? Ones. So, 1 means multiply with 1. 9 ones are 9. Same way, in third example, yellow colored digit is a 1000 place. It is showing a 1000, but what is the number? 1. So, there is a 1000. If there are a 4, then 4000. Look at here one more example, 4617. Colored digit is 6. So, 6 is lying on 100 place. So, it is given us 6 into 100, that means a 600. Clear? Easy. Let us see place value of the colored digit one more time. See, 5 is in the 100 place, so 5 into 100, that is a 500, 8 into 1, that is your 8, 2 into 100, that is a 200, 6 multiplied by 10. Why 6 multiplied by 10? Yes, because 6 is lying on 10 place, so we have to multiply with 10. Answer gives us a 60. Very good, beta. Now look at here, very good interesting question is here. In exam, these types of questions are coming, and most probably all the students, not majority of the students, may a silly mistake. See, what is the number? 0. What is the value of that place? 100. So, 0 into 100. Yes, keep it in your mind always. Whenever a 0 is multiplied with any number, it becomes a 0. So, that is why in this example, the value of this number is 0. Same way, you can find here 1 is lying on 1000 place. So, 1 into 1000, it gives you a 1000. Okay, look at here beta. You may be knowing about ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. Ascending order means arrangement from the smallest to the greatest. Same way, descending order means arrangement of number from greatest to the smallest. Look at here, one table, one important things you have to keep it in your mind, that is a 100 is equal to 10 tens. 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds, or sometimes you can say 100 tens. Have you seen a 10 rupees 100 note? Yes, it is a bunch of 10 rupees. We can say a bank of people are given us a 10 rupees bundle as a 1000 rupees. So, that 100 notes make a 1000 rupees, but the notes are 10, 10, 10 rupees. Sometimes the bank people or shopkeeper return us a 1000 rupees as 10 notes of 100. That is also 1000. So, do not be confused. These both answers are correct. Let us move for the further. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000, or 1000 hundreds is also a 1 lakh. So, do not worry about this last one also. These both are equal. 1 crore. 1 crore means 100 lakhs. 100 lakhs makes a 1 crore, or 10,000 thousands makes a 1 crore. That is for your information only. Expansion or expanded form of a number 4031. Let us do here 4031. Good student. Just check out the first number. First number is 1000 place. So, we can write 4 into 1000. Okay. See, it is written here. Now, second number is 0 and the place is 100. Good. Third number is 3, but it is on 10 place. So, multiply with 10, and one number is on the 1 place, that is a 1. Here it is written downside. Now, multiply 4 into 1000, that is a 4000. Okay, plus 0 into 100, just now I explained 0 into 100 is always 0, and 3 into 10 plus it 30, and last 1 into 1, that is a 1. So, the number is become 4031. Okay student, look at here some more important things. Here in the exam, number of times these types of questions are coming in the form of fill in the blanks, match the following, or true or false, and very easy to remember. Here there are smallest number and greatest number, or we can say small number and big number. So, one digit number, one digit means one number only. The smallest one digit number is 1 and greatest one digit number is, yes, 9. After 9 what will come? 10. But 10 have 2 digits. 10 have 2 digits. Understood? So, this 10 become a 2 digit smallest number. Okay. So, for what about the greatest 2 digit number? Yes, 99. Okay. After 99 add 1 to that number, what will come beta? 99 plus 1, next number is a 9 plus 1, 0, 1 is the carryover, 9 plus 1, 10. So, now it has become a 100, but 100 have a 3 digit. So, 3 digit smallest number is a 100. Same way 3 digit biggest number or greatest number is 999. 4 digit smallest number is 1000 and 4 digit greatest number is 9999. Clear? Now look at the second table. The second table shows us a two numbers 125 and 261. You have to put the symbol greater than or less than. We are knowing this is the greater than sign and this is the less than sign. This point is showing the smaller number, isn't it? Yes. Here first number is 125 is smaller than 261. The sign is written here. Isn't it beta? But some students can write like this way also. They can write 261 this side and greater than 125, but the sign is remain open part on the greatest number and this pointed part is showing the small number. Good. Let us move for the second number. Count the numbers. Both numbers are 5 digits. Let us check first number. First number is a 1. Second number is also 1. Here this digit 1, 18 means 1 and 15 means 1. Okay, now 1 1 okay equal. Move to the second number. Second number is 8 and here is a 5. So 8 number is greater. So here greater than sign will come here 18,511. Got the idea beta? Yes. Now third one 546 and 645. Okay. The numbers are there 456, 456, but the first number, that means on the left side, who is the bigger? That number is bigger. So 645 is bigger than 546. Now last number 1999. Just without comparing anything, you can count the digits. First number have a 4 digits, second number have a 3 digits. So you can say 4 digit is bigger than 3 digit. So immediately you can put the sign 1000 is greater than 999. Good. Now have you seen a big number and very difficult to read out? Suppose I am writing here 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. This is the one big number I written here. So it is very difficult to read out. What is the number? They cannot read out 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6. We should have to read out as a lakh, 1000, 100, etc. So there are two ways to represent a number as a Indian system and international system. In Indian system, we have to start from the right side. So right side first 3 numbers 1, 2, 3, put the comma. Then after every 2 digits 1 and 2, every 2 digits you have to put the comma. Now it is very easy to read out this number. This number is 1,34,578. Let's check for the further new number 2, 8, 9, 7, 5, 4, 3. Don't worry beta. First three numbers 1, 2, 3. So put it the comma here. After two numbers 1 and 2, comma, 1 and 2, comma. Did you get the idea? Suppose here is the 4. So here one more comma is there. So you can immediately read out there is a ones place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So you can say 4 crore 28 lakh 97,000. This number you have to read out alone 500, and this is the group 43. Okay. Now for the international system is so easy. There is only one way to represent a comma. Each and every 3 digits have a comma. Suppose there is a big number is written 3, 4, 8, 9, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2. Forget about everything. After 3 digits you can put the comma from the right side 1, 2, 3 number, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Easy? Good. International have a 3 digits and comma. And Indian system 1 time 3 and then every two numbers having the comma. How to read out this number? The international way, they are using the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and then after millions, then billion. So it is little different way, 1 million, 1 billion, like that way they are using. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh and 1 billion is equal to 100 million. So be careful beta, don't afraid about this one, this is for your information. Good. Now last topic here, going to conclude here. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Large number in practice of day to day life, this is very useful. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, or you can multiply with 10, that's give the 1000. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, and 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. This is very useful table, keep it in your mind. The third is a Roman number. Yes student, you may be found on your classroom or some clock, these types of numbers. Here I wrote some numbers in a decimal way because we are using decimal system. And Roman number, how to represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 11 is x and I, 12 is xii, 20 means 2x, 30 means 3x, 40 means xl, 50 means L, 60 means LX, 70 means LXX, 80 means L and 3x, 90 means XC, and 100 means C, century means C, remember this word, D for 500, and for 1000 M, M for maths. Clear? Now you remember this table also. Now thank you, have a good day, take care.